everybody, welcome back. Today we're having a look at the latest releases from Ensley, the Nevermore and the Forevermore palettes. I guess these are kind of Valentine's-y, but I don't know, they're just lovely. Look at the pair of them. This one on the left I purchased from their website along with a couple of singles, which I'll also show you. I then regretted not purchasing this one, the one on the right, the Forevermore. So I actually picked that up at Monolith at a greater cost, but less postage. So, you win some, you lose some. Okay, let's have a quick look at the singles and then we'll do some swatches of the palettes. Okay, I only picked up 2 singles from this collection, and they are the 2 on the left. We've got Wilted Rose and Howl, which I'll quickly swatch for you on the back of my hand. This Wilted Rose is such a beautiful, deep colour. It's, oh wow, it's really rather lovely with a very nice silver flash with that deep mauve base. And Howl is the shiniest thing I've ever seen. It's beautiful. It's kind of, it's got different sparkles in there and it goes for days. You can really sheer it out if you wanted to just have a really light wash. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's move on to the palettes. So starting with the Nevermore palette, this is what it looks like close up. Pop it round this way for you, and then these shimmers are fantastic. So starting with this one, Love Lawn, that is here, and as you can see it's pink, but it's also blue, slightly greenish. The blue is really actually quite bright when it's flashing. My goodness. This one, Dagger, that is here. You just look at that. That is so stunning. The camera can't even pick up how stunning it is. It's a holochrome. And next we've got Bitter Lace, which is this. Very pretty shimmer indeed. Not quite as sparkly, obviously, as the one next door, but nevertheless. Then Broken Hearted, which to me is probably, well, it's another standout shade, and it's this one. You're seeing purple, I'm seeing green. I twist my wrist. See, it goes green, to gold, and then to burgundy right at the end. Oh, it's an amazing one. And this one, Cruel Intentions, is here. This is an unprimed hand. There's no primer or anything to help make these stick. They are just marvellous. And then here are the mattes. You can see the pale pink, the desperation colour practically blend into my skin tone. Okay, let's move on to the Forevermore. Okay, moving on to Forevermore. This is a close-up of what that looks like. I haven't even swatched it yet or used this one. So let's get swatching those shimmers. We'll start with Beloved, which is a very pale, almost see-through champagne. Infatuated. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Okay, that's beautiful. Cloud 9. The silver in that pink. And then this one is, it actually has a bit of a peach background. And then Forever, which is a mixture of pink and silver and is also a holochrome. Oh. And then finally, Daydream. Oh, that's flaky. And goes for days. Okay, now that one has red base with silvery purple flash. Those are stunning. Okay, let's do the mattes. All right, starting with Smitten. It's just a very pale cream. Love Struck, super pale peach. Love Note. Ah, wow, that's lighter than I expected. It's also a peachy grey. And then there's Love Spell. Bright pink. Head over heels. It's actually kind of pinky lilac. And then Always and Forever. Wow, that is deep and lovely. And then Heartstrings. Looks like that. Okay, those are so beautiful. Their mats are amazing. They're still, still shimmer on my hand from earlier. And their shimmers are even better. Ah, wow. Okay, let me show you a couple of comparisons to this one. So on the left is the Lands of Enchantment Lemurian Dreams palette, which looks like that. Completely different. I don't think there's any real overlap. On the screen, this one and that do look pretty similar, but there is a difference in undertone. Let me show you. Yeah, this one is much lighter from the new palette. Otherwise, there's really no comparison here. They are gorgeous, aren't they? And then the other one is the Glow palette. And again, I'm not seeing anything. These two do look kind of similar, but I think this one is slightly darker. And yeah, that's about it, really. That's all I have for comparisons. I honestly thought that I didn't need this one, especially as, hold on a second, I did buy the Unearthly Made a Monster palette, which looks like that. But as you see, they kind of go together beautifully, don't they? But they are by no means anywhere even remotely the same. I have to say, this Made a Monster from Unearthly, love it. It's really cute. Such a good palette. I haven't done swatches of this one, but I will possibly get around to that. But yeah, these new palettes from Ensley Rain, personally, I found them well worth the money, and I absolutely love them. I do have one palette that this Nevermore is kind of similar to. Please hold. Okay, so we've got Snow Moon here in the middle, Wolf Moon on the right, and obviously the Nevermore here. And as you see, they are all actually very different. So pay your money and you take your choice, I guess. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Take care and stay safe, everybody.